So I'll just waste no time and call upon the outgoing president and the founding member of our club, multiple time officer, Toastmaster Saravanan.
Good evening, everyone. First of all, my apologies for joining this meeting quite late. I had some other clashing meeting. Yeah, coming back to the last 6 months, I would say it has gone by just like that. Given a choice, I would have preferred our regular in-person sessions any day over our COVID-influenced online session. But having said that, we have done really well in the last 6 months, I would say. We have adopted the online meetings. We have conducted the biggest meeting of the last term, the 275th in online, and that was received well, and overall the meeting went well. Again, we have become President Distinguished Club for the second year in a row, and that speaks volume of the club. Not only that, we have added many new members to maintain our current mark of 20 plus. So that's again, it's a great and remarkable effort, I would say, on the officer's part, especially at this time where meetings are happening online. So can we have one big round of applause for all the outgoing officers, starting with the TM Maitri, who was our VP Education, TM Nitin, who was our VP Membership, TM Yashwant, who was the VP PR, TM Ashwin, who was the Secretary, TM Nikita, and later on it was taken over by TM Rajan as a Treasurer. So kudos to both Nikita and Rajan. And last but not least, TM Bhaskar, who took up the SAA role for the very first time and have done well. Thank you, all the officers, and my sincere and heartfelt thanks to each and every member of this club. Without the wholehearted support of each and every one of you, we would not have achieved what we are today. Of course, there is a scope for more things, given the COVID influence and other stuff. There are certain areas we still need to improve, but I'm sure the new term of officers are more than capable of doing that, and the club is in great hands. With that, I would like to congratulate the incoming officers led by Toastmaster Nitin. And the good thing is, I see majority of the faces are from the old term. So I'm really glad to see that. And all the very best to the new officers and the new president. And we are here whenever you need any time for any support. Thank you.